Well, 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 what a year this week has been. It's been crazy. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. If you're new to my channel and you're just here for the cleaning, I'll put a timestamp here because I want to have a catch up with my normal YouTube fam, because so much for all of us has happened in the past 2 weeks, amazing. Like the last week has just been crazy. I feel like I've lived a decade in a week. So I had no Thursday upload and I had a planned procedure on my thumb. It actually got put back by a week and it was a blessing in disguise because it meant that I was off work for a couple of days. But then on Friday, my work announced that they had to lay us off because unfortunately the business had to close. Like so many other companies right now in the world, not just in Ireland. And my brother, like all my pals are laid off, and my brother actually texted me that afternoon. He's like, yeah, I'm laid off from Monday now as well. So there's just this kind of just craziness. Had you said to all of us a week ago that this would happen, and aside from, you know, work and lots of business closing, obviously the virus as well. So there's anxiety around that, anxiety just hit the fan basically. But before I get into the video, I wanted to kind of just say that we are literally all in it together, and I have had many a meltdown during the week, which is why I didn't kind of create a video, because anything I create, I want it to be from a place of peace and not panic. So I think my message to you is, whatever it is you're going through, feel all of the feels, because sometimes positivity can be just as toxic as negativity. And I think don't band-aid it. Like, have a cry, have multiple tears. I think what's great is, obviously I'm isolation. I'm fit and healthy, and all my family and friends are fit and healthy. But I am just practicing the social distancing. So this is my interaction for the next while. I'm Blondie and Pepsi. Tomorrow, actually today when this video goes up, it is Mother's Day. And unfortunately a lot of people just aren't going to be able to physically see their parents, which is quite sad, but it is kind of what it is. I am now taking the social distancing quite serious. Like a week ago I was still commuting to work on the bus and, you know, just going out, and then you see how serious it actually is. So yeah, I'm literally just going to the grocery store when I actually need to and coming home, and then the odd walk in the park when there's no one around, and that's it. And I suppose that's what all of us are pretty much doing at this time. But I wanted to just say, whatever's happening, don't band-aid it up. I think we can be very quick to mask our emotions. So, oh, you lost your job. Oh, it's okay, but everyone else has lost it. No, if you need to feel that, you feel it. Lots of my pals, we've been doing like Zoom chats and phone calls, and you know, if you need to cry, we're crying and we're getting it out. Like, I'm gonna shout out Jan, who does my Reiki, and she says, whatever the emotion is, like, name it, feel it, and release it. So whatever the feeling is, whether it's fear, sadness, anxiety, happiness, like really feel it in your body and then name it. Okay, this is fear, and then just release it. So breathe it out, cry it out, laugh it out, just get it out. And that's totally okay. So I hope that little bit of nugget of advice was helpful in any way. I am going to possibly look at doing some additional YouTube videos, but like I said, I don't want it to be from a place of panic. I'm not going to do something just for an extra few shilling. Do you know what I mean? So this whole thing is teaching me gratitude. Obviously I was a practitioner of gratitude, but now more than ever, it's made me really grateful for everything that I have and how little that I actually need as well. So I do have a couple of ideas for some videos for the next few weeks, but obviously some days you can feel a bit like, excuse my language, like an asshole for putting out a YouTube video when the world is kind of, you know, upside down. So it's like, do you carry on? Do you, I don't know. Let me know what you guys would like to see over the next few weeks. Now, I'm going to stop rambling. We're 5 minutes in. So I decided to clean the house. because that's what you do when it's upside down. And obviously with work, and I haven't been able to properly deep clean the house, especially the bedroom. So that's what I did. I didn't tackle the office. That could be another video. So let's get into it. Here's me scrubbing the gaff. tell, I didn't touch the office. What I am going to do is I have to tackle the receipt box of doom now more than ever, because I obviously need to look at my finances and I need to get on top of the receipt box that I always put off doing, but I'm going to do it. And yeah, I need to organise. Like, the craft room isn't dreadful. It's not. I did declutter it, remember, and I moved it. It's not bad. But if I am going to be working in that space now, which is exciting, I need to have it peaceful and calm. So I also was looking at my bike and I was like, now that, like, we're not on total lockdown in Ireland, we are allowed out, like, but just social distance. Like, when I say we're allowed out, there's like no pubs or anything like that, and a lot of coffee shops have closed, so you can't mingle. But I was like, I'm going out on my bike because it's spring now, so I have my helmet, and I was like, my car insurance is due up, and I was like, put that on like delay and I'll be out on my bike. So kind of excited about that. I also ordered a couple of, there's a local builder providers and they're doing deliveries. They're dropping at your door. So I ordered a load of wood to panel the hallway, and there's a paint shop, a couple of paint shops are doing deliveries for now, and again they're just dropping it at the door. So I ordered some paint and wood, and I got a new saw last week. So things are looking good. And before I finish this video, I just want to give a massive shout out to all of the frontline people, the nurses, because I know there's lots of, like, you know, guys who would watch this channel. Your work is not, oh my god, like, fair play. So it's whoever is like checking groceries out, like cleaning hospitals, nurses, doctors, ambulance, the list goes on. Like, you guys are saving everything right now, and I think the least we can do is stay inside where we can, stay away from people physically, but stay connected in the community. So that is the least we can do, is wash our hands and stay away. Yes, I think that's what we have to, physically stay away, not mentally. Stay connected. So that is it for this week. It is a funny old time, and hopefully we'll all get through this. We will. I love what Leo said this week. He's our Prime Minister Taoiseach. He said, when we were at our worst, we were at our best. And I was like, now that's the slogan. Put that in a cup. That's a good one. So we'll get through it. I'll see you on Thursday. I have filmed a sewing video. It's a collab with Christina from DIY Mommy that I think you guys are gonna like. So I will see you all on Thursday. Bye.